Turkish people are known for their hospitality, but there are so many other lovely factors that will make a fan out of anyone. From their amazing cooking skills to the importance of friendship and family, here are some endearing qualities that Turkey's people share. One element that every visitor to Turkey will talk extensively about is the amazing food, and Turkish people sure know how to cook. Whether it's a homemade meal or an upscale tasting menu, Turkish people have a true talent for whipping up amazing dishes. Hospitality is first and foremost what Turkish people are known for, and almost every visitor will have some story about a kind person who helped them or even invited them to their homes for a meal with the whole family. You'll soon come to find that Turkey's people love to help and show their generosity to their guests. Even though Turkey is quite the modern country, there are many traditions and cultural elements that have survived through the ages. From folk dance and music to literature and art, Turkey's past is preserved through the celebration of its past. Even though traditions are very important in Turkey, Turkish people also know how to let loose and have a good time. Just go to any Turkish wedding to watch even the oldest grandma get up to dance, or visit a tavern to see Turkish people singing their favorite songs alongside street musicians. Apart from their amazing cooking skills, Turkey's people have many talents, from traditional handicraftsmen to fashion designers, famous actors to singers, athletes to film directors, and authors to intellectuals. Family is very important in Turkey, and Turkish people always put their family first and make sure to respect and take care of them. A lot of Turkish people even prefer to live with their parents until they marry and start their own families. Turkish people are very proud to be Turkish, and they are very enthusiastic when it comes to sharing their history and culture with visitors. No matter where you go, people will always be more than willing to tell you stories about the history of their native cities or towns while showing you the sights. Turkish people are very much in love with love. They believe in soulmates and true love and savor all the emotions that come with falling for someone. Turkish songs are also almost always about the joys and woes of love, whether it's a pop song or a thousand-year-old folk song. Apart from family, Turkey's people are also very close to their friends and have a deep respect for friendships. In Turkey, you can rely on your friends to be by your side during the best and worst of days. Turkish people are very honest about their emotions and won't hold back when it comes to expressing them. When a Turkish person is happy, he or she will make sure everyone around them is able to feel it too.